For what? Go ahead. You won't. You won't do it, John. You won't do it. Why do these eggs look super white? They're like not very yellow. Hi, how are you? I don't know why they look super white. Okay, though. Hi, Tyler. Guys, thank you for the follows. Everyone tap my screen. The thought process. I don't have anyone on Snap. On TikTok. Maybe like 2 people. Actually. What thought process? Good. I'm good, guys. I'm about to eat breakfast in front of y'all. I'm trying to see with my phone. Let's see if my charger will reach over here. Okay. See, let's go eat some more. Oh, you gonna eat with me? Yeah, you can eat with me? 500 you said you were gonna send. It is negative 10 degrees outside. You're not going out there. I'll let you out in a little bit because I know you were just out not too long ago. Yeah. A reason? Because I'm cute and fun. And you like to watch me. I don't know. Do you live in Miami? That's cool. That's cool. I live in Miami too.